me your passport and the I-20?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay. So tell me about your previous qualification.
Yeah, sure, sir. I have done my senior secondary in non-medical stream and bachelor degree in computer science. After completion my bachelor degree, I appeared in professional degree in B.Ed because this is required for a teaching line. Then I joined a pre-primary school as a teacher.
Okay, that's good. So you are basically from the computer science program. Then you have done B.Ed, Bachelor's
Yes,
in
sir.
Education.
Yes, sir.
That you just wanted to make your career in the education industry. You wanted to become a teacher.
Yes.
Right. So then why now going for the MBA?
Because sir, I want to open my own school in my hometown. So that's the biggest reason. Because MBA is a course that improve my decision-making skills, managerial skills that help me a business running.
So why this university?
Because this is the best university for MBA.
So as you said, you worked as a teacher for 4 years. So what's the name of the school?
Saint Soldier School.
So as I could see, you have 4 years of experience, that too into the education line, being a teacher. So which all subjects do you to teach?
Sir, I teach 2 subjects like English and computer.
Okay, good. And which school you are working with?
Sir, Saint Soldier School.
You were working very good with this school, and now why you want to go for the MBA? Why you're shifting from your domain, like initially the computer science, bachelor's in computer science, now then 4 years of working as a teacher, and now you're going for this MBA program. It's not fitting actually.
Because sir, I grow my personality. Like I want to open my own school in my hometown, and I work there as a director.
So what's your future plans?
I want to open my own school and I work there as a director. It's my like childhood dream and I want to fulfill my dream.
Who is
Choose
sponsoring
MBA.
your studies?
My parents.
And what they do?
So we have a business of chain of restaurants.
Okay, good. How many universities you applied for?
So 2 universities.
2 universities. So what's the reason for choosing B.Ed University then?
Because sir, I search on Google that it is a good university for MBA and that's the biggest reason for I chose this university.
What was the salary of yours at this school?
Sir, 27 lakh.
So what's the fee of the course?
42 lakh.
42 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So see Arupa, as of now I'm not that impressed and so I'm refusing your visa. Good luck for the next time. Thank you. You can take your passport and the I-20 back.
Thank you, sir.
हाय एवरीवन, मुझे लगता है मेरी जगह पे अगर ये इंटरव्यू आपने भी ली होती ना, आपने भी रूपा को रिफ्यूज़ ही करना था. द रीज़न इज़ शी वाज गिविंग द इंटरव्यू इन अ वेरी कैजुअल मैनर. सो लेट अस सी द रूपास प्रोफाइल. इन्होंने प्रीवियसली बीए किया, फिर बीएड किया, फिर इनके पास टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस है एंड शी इज़ गोइंग फॉर एमबीए प्रोग्राम इन बे अटलांटिक यूनिवर्सिटी विच इज़ वन ऑफ द प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी बट गुड वन. So the first question was why this university? Because this is the best university for MBA. See, this is a very improper and a casual answer. The moment they ask you why this university, you have to speak a lot about the university, then the program, then your profile, your goal. So this was the incorrect answer. The next question was asked, as you work for 4 years in a school, what was the name of the school? So she said Saint Soldier. No, he wants to know more about the school, more about what you teach, more about what you earn. So this was again the improper answer. The next question was which subjects do you teach? English and computer. So अगर रूपा की जगह मैं होता इस वीडियो में and I am the one who is giving the interview, I would have spoken a lot about what I do, what all I teach, my schedule of teaching and how I teach. So इसको explain करना था थोड़ा सा और in detail. So next was why you switching your career? Because see, working for 4 years in the same industry as a teacher, now someone is going for MBA. So MBA जाने का मतलब होता है आप business में कुछ करना चाहते हैं. So she said because I want to grow my personality and start my own school in my home country and I want to work as director here. So ये आंसर कुछ हद तक तो ठीक था, बट अगर रूपा की एज बहुत कम है एंड रूपा फाइनेंशियली उतनी वेल शो नहीं किया अपने आप को, तो स्कूल खोलना बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाएगी. सो इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा आपको भी केयरफुली हैंडल करना है. अगर आप टीचिंग के बाद लेट्स सपोज आप एमबीए में जा रहे हैं तो आप ऐसा बोल सकते हैं दैट माय फादर इज़ अ बिजनेस ओनर, सो माय फ्यूचर प्लान इज़ टू वर्क माय फादर इन हिज ओन बिजनेस और माय फादर इज़ हैविंग अ विजन to open the school. He can invest and I am the one who can manage everything. But for that I need to have the business skills that I'm going to learn from this MBA program at BAU. The next question was about the sponsor, and she said, my parents are my sponsor. So the moment visa officer asks you that, tell me about your sponsor, he doesn't only mean that he wants to know the name of the sponsor, he actually wants to know the insights about your funds, like how much they earn, what they do, and what is the annual income of your sponsor, what all properties you have, what is the source of income of your family. So he wants to know all that insights about you and the financial stability of yours. Next question was, how is MBA going to help you in the future? And she was helpless, no clue at all. Then what's your future plan? And she said, I already told you, officer, that I want to open my school. See, this is a kind of wrong answer. You cannot have this kind of attitude, or you cannot exchange your words like this in front of visa officer. So ये एक गलत तरीके से handle किया गया question था. So the next question was, what do your parents do? And she was like, business, chain of restaurant. No, he wants to know what they earn. He wants to know what they do for the earning, how much amount they have in the bank account. So the moment they ask you about the business, you have to tell about the employees your parents is having, the number of years they are working, the property they own, the passive incomes they are getting. So you have to speak about everything, even the gold you own. Next is, how many universities have you applied? And she said 2. So the biggest mistake. She should have replied like, I applied at 2 good universities in the US, 2 reputed universities, and these are the names of the universities. But at the end, I have gone for the conclusion to join Bay Atlantic University because it has a good track record. It has a good techniques for the business students. So the next question was, why you choose this university? This is the best university for MBA. See, this is again the same answer. मतलब रूपा जी कर क्या रहे हैं, हर आंसर को उसी तरीके से फ्रेम करके एक ही चीज आगे रख रहे हैं, MBA स्कूल, बिजनेस एंड ऑल दैट. But this is really not going to work. So इसमें बोलना क्या चाहिए था, that this is the best university for MBA courses, and I have done a thorough research on the internet. I have done a comparison among the 4 universities, and the module in this particular program is really so impressive, which make my mind to go for this university. So उसको थोड़ा और डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए था. So अगर आपकी प्रोफाइल भी रूपा जैसी है तो आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज विद द ट्रेनिंग रूपा भी वीजा ले सकती है. बट किन चीज़ों के ऊपर ट्रेनिंग? ऑन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस विच कैन बी आस्क्ड. तो देर किस बात की, आज ही आप IBT ओवरसीज कॉल करें, नंबर है 8677812345. उससे पहले इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बिकॉज यहाँ से आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट मिलेगा, और IBT ओवरसीज ज्वाइन करने से आपको मिलेगी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस, एंड आपको मिलेगा वो सारा कंटेंट हम पढ़ाते हैं. हमारे पास जो US की एम्बेसीज बनी है वहाँ पढ़ाएंगे, और एक सेशन आपके साथ होगा एक्स वीज़ा ऑफिसर का वंस इन अ मंथ. सो ये सारा पैकेज आपके लिए अवेलेबल. आप IBT ओवरसीज विजिट करें, कॉल कर सकते हैं 8677812345 पे, जब हमारी जो ब्रांचेस है जलंधर, अमृतसर, लुधियाना, चंडीगढ़, पटियाला, संगरूर या करनाल में विजिट कर सकते हैं, और अपने US जाने के सपने को साकार कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.